Can you identify these 15 concept cars that never made it? Let's start. Question 1. Which concept car had an ultra-low wedge design? A. 1972 BMW Turbo. B. 1970 Lancia Stratos 0. C. 1995 Ford GT90. D. 2007 Mazda Ferrari. Correct answer, B. 1970 Lancia Stratos 0. Question 2. This concept promised 850-plus horsepower. A. 2004 Chrysler ME412. B. 2010 Jaguar CX75. C. 2002 Cadillac CN. D. 1998 Bugatti EB118. Correct answer, A. 2004 Chrysler ME412. Question 3. Which concept featured a quad-turbo V12 engine? A. 1991 BMW Nazca C2B. 1995 Ford GT90. C. 2003 Cadillac 16. D. 1995 Mazda RX-01. Correct answer, B. 1995 Ford GT90. Question 4. This hybrid turbine supercar never made production. A. 2013 Porsche 918 Spider. B. 2013 Ferrari LaFerrari. C. 2010 Jaguar CX75. D. 2013 McLaren P1. Correct answer, C. 2010 Jaguar CX75. Question 5. Which concept had gull-wing doors and a turbo engine? A. 1972 BMW Turbo. B. 1981 DeLorean DMC-12. C. 1974 Lamborghini Countach. D. 1991 Ital Design Nazca C2. Correct answer, A. 1972 BMW Turbo. If you're enjoying this quiz, subscribe for more car challenges. Question 6. This Mazda concept was later destroyed in a fire. A. 2007 Mazda Taiki. B. 2007 Mazda Furai. C. 2015 Mazda RX Vision. D. 2006 Mazda Kabura. Correct answer, B. 2007 Mazda Furai. Question 7. Which Cadillac concept had a mid-engine V12? A. 2003 Cadillac 16. B. 2013 Cadillac El Mirage. C. 2002 Cadillac CN. D. 2016 Cadillac Escala. Correct answer, C. 2002 Cadillac CN. Question 8. This Bugatti concept previewed a luxury GT. A. 2016 Bugatti Chiron. B. 1991 Bugatti EB110. C. 1998 Bugatti EB118. D. 2005 Bugatti Veyron. Correct answer, C. 1998 Bugatti EB118. Question 9. Which hydrogen-powered concept SUV never went into production? A. 2014 Toyota Mirai. B. 2008 Cadillac Provoque. C. 2018 Hyundai Nexo. D. 2008 Honda Clarity. Correct answer. B. 2008 Cadillac Provoque. Question 10. This Dodge concept pickup had a V10 engine. A. 2015 Dodge Rebel. B. 2006 Dodge Rampage. C. 2005 Dodge Dakota. D. 2005 Dodge Power Wagon. Correct answer. B. 2006 Dodge Rampage. Question 11. Which Cadillac concept was a luxury Grand Tourer? A. 2016 Cadillac Escala. B. 2013 Cadillac El Mirage. C. 2003 Cadillac 16. D. 2004 Cadillac CTS-V. Correct answer. B. 2013 Cadillac El Mirage. Question 12. This Ital design concept had extreme futuristic styling. A. 1987 Ferrari F40. B. 1990 Lamborghini Diablo. C. 1991 Ital design Nazca C2. D. 2004 Maserati MC12. Correct answer. C. 1991 Ital design Nazca C2. Question 13. Which Cadillac concept had a massive V16 engine? A. 2002 Cadillac CN. B. 2003 Cadillac 16. And C. 2003 Cadillac XLR. D. 1999 Cadillac Evoque. Correct answer. B. 2003 Cadillac 16. Question 14. This Mazda concept revived rotary engine hype. A. 2003 Mazda RX-8. B. 2007 Mazda Furai. C. 2015 Mazda RX Vision. D. 2010 Mazda Shinari. Correct answer. C. 2015 Mazda RX Vision. Question 15. Which concept hinted at a rotary comeback but failed? A. 1995 Mazda RX-01. B. 1992 Mazda RX-7. C. 2003 Mazda RX-8. D. 1990 Mazda Cosmo. Correct answer. A. 1995 Mazda RX-01. How many did you get right? Comment your score. Subscribe for more extreme car quizzes and rare concept cars.